Hey friends, another beauty video today. So I've been doing a lot of changes to my hair in the last year, months, a little bit of everything. I went from red to getting rid of that red, then lightening it up, trying to go pink, and now I did a little bit of, which I think I'm happy with the ends. I did, I applied like a chrome or platinum, which can't really tell too much, but at least it doesn't look as orange as it was before, which I'm happy with my ends. Now the problem is the top. I look like a tiger, or I don't even know what to call it, but I was trying to, I'm in my mid 30s. I'm trying to get rid of one or two grays, maybe more, some grays in my hair. And what I did was I darkened it up, and I didn't like it because the dye was too dark. So then I added some highlights, and I didn't like that. Then I went with another hair dye, which I thought would be similar to my hair color, and it ended up being too light, and I didn't like that either. So now I want to get rid of the dark hair or whatever dye I have. I want to get rid of this dye that I have here. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it looks like a really dark color, and I'm trying to do that. I bought that color or that color hair removal, but first I want to try something that's a little bit less aggressive, which that is not as bad, the color hair removal. It's just that I remember it leaves a really bad scent, and it stinks, and the smell is there, and I don't want to deal with that right now. So I'm gonna try and do a DIY. I'm gonna put some volume developer, 10 volume developer, and I'm gonna put some baking soda, mix it up, leave it for possibly 30 minutes. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna be giving you guys my results. Hopefully it doesn't damage it. Hopefully it doesn't leave it bad. I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated with that. To start off, I put like a shirt that I don't really mind having hair dye on. Sorry about the, I feel bad. Like, this was one of my favorite shirts. I really liked it, and I worked for this company for almost 10 years, so I'm really sad that it got this stain. But I got rid of all my other shirts. Like, I donated more than 6 bags of clothing, and I didn't know what else to put on, so I stained it last time, and I'm just gonna keep wearing it. I don't want to throw it away because I really like it, and then I'm just gonna be using it to dye my hair. I'm gonna look for a video or something to watch while I do this.
Now, what does that mean? It means this: when you have a lot of stuff, that stuff usually costs you money, okay? So you're invested financially in your stuff, and then you have to get
Hey friends, I'm back. I think it's been about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to wash my hair. I put the blow dryer on hot just for like 3 minutes. I have a headache, I don't know why. I hope it's not because of this. So I'm going to wash this out and hopefully that dark hair will be removed. I don't know. I heard some people, it's worked for some people. I don't know if it's gonna work for me. So maybe the color removal would have been best. I don't know. I mean, I bought it, the color removal. But I wanted to give this a try first. Hopefully it doesn't feel like it's dry. It dries out my hair, so. That stuff's itchy. Okay, I'll be back. Hey friends, so I just washed my hair right now and I don't see a big difference. I guess I'll check back with you guys tomorrow once I hop in the shower, wash my hair and take a nice shower. And I just rinsed it with water right now. I'm just gonna shampoo it when I hop in the shower. I don't see much of a difference, you guys. I guess it's one of those hacks that don't work. I mean, it didn't work for me. And I will show you guys the results. You guys let me know if you guys have tried this at home and if it's worked for you guys. But for me, I don't think it worked. I don't think it made that much of a difference. But I'll check back with you guys tomorrow. Maybe when my hair, once it's dry, maybe you'll be able to see a little bit more of a difference. But I'm pretty sure that if I use the color hair removal, then that's gonna really get rid of the darkness. But I don't know. Well, I'll see how that goes. I don't even know if I want to do that right now because I just don't like doing too much to my hair, like one thing after another. I mean, at least I like to wait a little bit. So I'll check back with you guys. Thank you guys for sticking around and I will see you guys in the next video. May God bless you all. Bye bye. Hey friends, just a quick update. I think my hair did lighten just a little bit and I know I'm gonna forget to vlog if I don't vlog right now. It's just a very lightly. I think maybe if I would have left it on longer or maybe used a 20 volume developer, it would have helped a little bit more. Let me show you guys. And right now it's a little bit wet because it's drying up because it's, but this is what it looks like. Maybe if I open the window, I'll have some daylight and you'll be able to tell a little bit more. So I think it lightened just a tad bit.